hear me in the back? Yes. Oh, bring it up a little more. Okay. How's that? Oh, okay. All right. So good morning, everyone. Welcome to our African American Read-In, Black Speculative Futures.
It's encouraging our young people to say, hey, I don't like this, but I can imagine something different.
When I watch things, when I read things, I have a million questions. I have an inquisitive mind.
Identity has a wide definition, but also it shows how institutions kind of create their own idea of what it is to be a Dominican citizen.
Thighs whose flesh dances thickly, captivating dozens. My dozen, striking, visible, I'm already there.
We meet waterfalls cloaked in laughter.
Black love exists across centuries and isn't just one moment.
My heart is rent, for the pain and grief of the world desensitized.
And his tune is heard on the distant hill, for the caged bird sings of freedom.
It has taken a long time to get here, and we have much more to do, but we will make it.
I chose this because I feel like it reflects what happens to people's minds and behaviors when they get conditioned